60-second spelling tips.
Hello, and today we're looking at Playdoh Mats. There are lots of free templates that you can find on the internet for Playdoh Mats. And just to explain how you can help this with spelling, you try to make some of the letters bigger, and the idea is very simple, is that your child uses some sort of Play-Doh or plasticine and they stick the letters on. The nice thing about making ones at home is that you can just change it around a bit so children can use sort of these things as maths at the same time. Can we see counting the pieces of salami? Another thing is you can capitalise on whatever your child's interested in. So you could use Disney pictures, pictures of the favourite teddy bear, also pets. Here's another one that I just simply made with Queen on. As you can see, I've got the necklace and the blobs on the crown. But if your child is very tactile and interested in constructing things, this is one of our tricky words, so you can take this activity a little bit further. I don't know if you can see, I've got some cocktail sticks, but you could use cut up straws, and some children just really like making 3D words. Anything that gets them to focus, anything that improves their eye concentration will help, and this is just a nice little activity to do while you're cooking or making tea. Letters that you can use doing this, obviously capital A's, capital E's. These sort of things work really well. That's our tip for today. If you found it useful, please hit that subscribe button. And if you've got any words or letters that your child's finding difficult, pop it in the comments box and I'll do my best to help.